Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be creating a fall look. I know it's been like over a month since fall started, getting close to 2 months, but I finally decided to sit down and film a fall look. But yeah guys, so if you want to see what I create, then just keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is prime my eyelids. I have moisturized. I haven't put any under eye cream. We'll do that in a little bit, but for now we are going to prime the eyelids. And for that I'm going to use the P.louise base in Rumour 2. I'm going to use this right here. Alright guys, so the palette I'm going to go into is this one right here. I have not used this since it came out last year, like only one time, and I haven't touched it ever since. It is the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette. It's part of her bulk collection. So I'm going to go in with the first shade, which is called Hush. It's this one right here. I'm going to put that as a transition shade all over the crease. Alright guys, so now that I have that all over the crease, I'm gonna go in with a different shade to deepen it out a bit more. I'm gonna go in with Sparks, which is this shade right here, and I'm gonna put that directly into the crease. Alright, so now I'm going to go into Rockstar, which is this shade right here. I'm going to put that in the outer half of the crease just to give it more depth and definition. I want a little bit more darker, but just right there, not everywhere. Now I'm going to go into the next shade, and that is Mystic, and I'm just going to put that in the outer part of the lid, just in the outer V part, which is this shade right here. Now that I have that shade, I'm gonna go in with a Very Treasure, which is this black with, it's this shade right here. You see that reflex? It looks so cool. Love how that looks. It's black, but it has like purple glitter reflex. I'm gonna put that in the outer part of the lid right here. Well, not really the outer part, just this part, the middle part of the lid, and then towards the inner part. And now bringing it all the way to the inner tear duct, I'm gonna go in with Ballsy. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Very Treasure and Ballsy. These two shades right here. Alright guys, I went ahead and I applied a wing. I went ahead and used the liquid liner from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This one right here, I believe it's the only one they have. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. And now for skin, I'm going to go in with the Glassy Touch and Soul Glass Skin Ball Primer. I've been really enjoying it. It's actually pretty good. I'm going to try it out again. I've been testing it out, trying it out, but I've been really enjoying it. So I'm just going to put that over the face. So while I let that sink into my skin, for foundation, I was going to use the Pat McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation in the shade Medium 14. It's this one right here. But I remember when I was, you know, at Sephora, getting informed about this foundation and this powder right here, the makeup artist at Sephora actually put this on my face before she put on the foundation. So we are going to do that today. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna take whatever I have on the lid of the powder, and I'm just gonna put that all over my face. So now I'm going to go in with the foundation. This one right here. So I just finished applying my foundation. Now I'm just going to go through a run through of the rest of my face. I'm just going to show you the products and move on because I don't want to make this too long. So I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and after that I'm just going to be... Alright. Guys, I am back with the finished base for the most part. I'm now going to move on to the lower lash line, and then I did do my eyebrows. Very simple. I'm going to do my lower lash line, put on mascara and lip and inner corner highlight, and I think that'll be the end of this little tutorial on how to achieve this look. But yeah, so let's continue. Oh, I forgot my eyeliner. Hold that thought. Alright, so before I do and I put any eyeshadow on the lower lash line, I am going to go into this Dose of Colors eyeliner in the shade Caviar. It's just a black eyeliner. I'm really liking it so far. I'm going to use that. So I think that's enough eyeliner for now. If I need any more, I will apply some more. I realized that I have a scratch on my face. I don't know from what though. But yes. So I'm going to go into the palette once again, and I'm going to go in with the first shade. Actually, I'm going to go in with three shades basically. I'm going to go in with Rockstar, Mystic, and Hush Hush. I'm going to go in with Rockstar first, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to put that all over the crease. No, did I say all over the crease? All over the lower lash line first. And but on first, I'm going to stamp it, and then I'm going to blend it out. Alright, now I'm going to go in with Mystic, which is that darker shade, and I'm going to put that in the outer part of the lower lash line. And now going into Hush Hush, I'm just going to blend the bottom part of the lower lash line, like down here, just to make it look a little bit more diffuse and not too harsh. Alright guys, so now that my lower lash line is done, I'm going to go in with mascara. I'm not going to use falsies because lately I feel like I have to wear falsies, but I'm not a falsies kind of girl. I much prefer just to put on some mascara, and for that I'm going to go in with the Climax mascara from NARS, and I'm just going to curl my lashes and go in with them. Alright, so now the mascara is on. I'm going to go in with my lip liner. I'm going to use the I Am Precious Real Hair Expert Advice Lip Liner. And yeah, oh, I should probably sharpen it. Well, let me go in with a different one. Alright, so for lip liner, I'm going to go into the Jante Blue. I think that's how you pronounce it. It is the Dark Natural 935 lip liner. And now for the lipstick, I'm going to go into the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Verona. This one right here, it's an absolute favorite of mine. Alright guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I actually really like how this turned out. I know at the beginning I said I was going for like a fall autumn kind of look, but I feel like this could be, it's just more dark. I feel like it gives me more Halloween vibes, but I absolutely love how this look turned out. And if you liked it, then please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought of the look, and if you like it, please subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.